wanted to collaborate with her on Fly. Hey everybody, what's up, what it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. I'm sure you guys have already seen by the title, and also you could see right here, right now, my hair is sleek. It is straight, it is beautiful, and I'm so excited because I'm collaborating with my friend Justine. She's actually a celebrity hairstylist. She's done Kerry Washington's hair, Ashley Graham's hair. Anyways, I'm gonna have Justine come in and she's going to introduce herself to you guys. I'm so excited. I trust her. You guys know I don't let anybody do my hair. If I could do it myself, I will do it myself. However, I wanted to collaborate with her on this video because she does amazing work. I'm such a huge fan, and also I want her to share like her tips on how she go about straightening natural hair with you guys. So this will be a very informative video featuring the great this is Justine.
Thanks so much for having me.
Of course, I'm so happy, and these results, girl, wow.
I know, I'm obsessed. Like, I just want to keep touching how silky your hair feels. Oh my god,
guys, this is Cashew.
This is my puppy. She's a glam girl too.
Look at all this here.
I'm so excited for this video because I share all of my favorite smoothing and straightening hair products, ones that fight humidity, fight frizz, and ones that help to keep your hair healthy and shiny while you're straightening it, which is so important for naturally curly hair.
I'm just overly excited right now because I'm feeling myself, but let's get started.
I'm so excited because the last time we did your hair was already straight, so now we get to do it from the beginning.
Yeah, from the beginning on.
And you already washed and conditioned.
Yeah, I washed and conditioned.
So I'm gonna grab some of my favorite products and then we'll just start detangling and then we'll start getting it dry.
Awesome sauce.
So I like to use a few different styling products to begin to kind of prep the hair before we blow dry. And part of getting a really smooth and sleek style is all in the hair prep. So I'm going to use the Aveda Smooth Infusion Style and Prep Serum. It helps to nourish the hair and it helps to hydrate the hair so we can protect your curls while we're styling.
And that's important with natural hair. In general, it's just so important that before you put heat onto it, we have like a heat protectant that you're using.
So then I'm also going to use this new product from IGK called Good Behavior. It's also a heat protectant and a style prep, and it has coconut oil in it, so it will also help to nourish the hair before we blow dry. And we'll just spray this all over. So I'm also using the Aveda Style and Prep Smooth Infusion Nourishing Cream. This is just more of a cream-based hair prep product. It also is gonna fight frizz and humidity.
When you straighten your hair, like how long does it normally last for?
It depends how you like maintain it at home. Yeah, if you are like wrapping it up at night and like using either a silk wrap and silk pillowcase, so you can make it last longer. Yeah, exactly. This is the Wet Brush Pro Detangler, and I just love this. It's super gentle detangle, and this will just help also distribute all those styling products. And I start at the ends and just slowly work up. Now I'm adding the comb attachment to the blow dryer, and this is a GHD Helios blow dryer. It's a new blow dryer that just came out, and it helps to smooth the hair. It has like ionic technology on the inside that helps to eliminate frizz, and we're just gonna start blow drying with this so we can kind of brush out the hair at the same time. We're getting there, girl.
In between breaks, we're making TikToks. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, although I barely post, but definitely follow Justine because she's a TikTok queen.
That type of shit don't phase or play. This type of shit is what make a hater when you got it out the mud.
Now I'm using the GHD Platinum Plus Styler. This is my favorite flat iron. It also doesn't cause damage to the hair, which is amazing for natural curls. And then I'm using the Wet Brush Pro Shine Enhancer, and this is a synthetic boar bristle and nylon brush, so it'll detangle and smooth the hair as we flat iron. I take really thin sections so we can get it super smooth.
Oh, I like that.
When was the last time you had straight hair?
I think in January.
Oh my gosh, like the last time I saw you.
Yep. Then the
That's
last time
crazy.
you saw me, for sure. I'm gonna insert like pictures of the last time Justine and I worked together.
It was so fun.
Yeah, it was so much fun. Story time, guys. So, obviously right now we're still in quarantine. Justine, I asked her if we could do a YouTube video together, and she was like, sure, but of course we have to do the necessary precautions, which is going in for a COVID test. So the two of us went in for COVID tests to make sure that we're good, so we could be here without our masks to like talk and stuff.
Totally.
But the COVID test was so rough. Like, this was my second
rough.
one that I did. The first one, they just like shoved the thing up. Yeah, they put it up one of my nostrils, and it wasn't all that bad at all. But the second one that we went and did at the same facility, it was like the dude was just so rough. Like, he went boom, boom, in both my nostrils, and it hurt.
That's how mine was. It hurt so bad. I was gonna film myself getting it done, and I'm like, I'm glad I didn't, because I was like,
yeah, it's the same thing with me. He didn't give me a countdown or anything.
Stop. It was
Brutal is the
rough.
word.
Looking good, girl. She's silky.
She's silky.
Cute. So when I straighten hair that's curly, I want to take really thin sections. I always place my brush underneath with my thumb at the bottom so I have good tension on the hair. And then I'll insert the iron right above it, and I just follow the brush with the iron, and I go pretty slowly so that I can make sure that it's really straightening the hair, and that way I don't have to go over each strand multiple times.
What made you realize that this was what you wanted to do?
When I look back on it now, it makes sense with like everything I used to do as a kid, because in high school my friends and I would always like cut and color each other's hair.
Ooh,
and even before that, I was the girl that like braided everyone's hair on the bus to school. And like if I did sports, and so I'd braid everyone's hair, like we'd all show up with braids at like the competition. After high school, I was waiting for a bus one day because I didn't drive, and there was a hair salon across the street, and I thought it looked cool, so I was like, oh, I'm just gonna go in and like see if I could shadow or something. And they're like, actually, we're hiring a receptionist if you want to work here. So I worked at the salon as a receptionist, and I loved it so much that I went to cosmetology school.
She was grinding.
Yeah, I was grinding.
We respect
It was crazy.
you.
Should I give you a little trim first before I finish?
Yes, please.
So now to finish, I'm using a little bit of this Tresemme dry oil spray. So I love this product because it just adds like a silky finish to the hair and adds a little bit of shine, which is nice.
It smells good too.
It smells so good. And then through the ends, I'm just using the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shine Serum. This also just adds a little bit of that extra moisture and shine through the ends.
So I guess this brings us to the end of the video. I'm really excited and happy with the way my hair looks. Like I was telling you, Justine, it's different from when I do it. Sometimes when I do it, I feel like you could see the grease sitting on my hair.
Right.
And right now, like this just looks super like
Silky.
bouncy and silky and just like, ooh.
I'm so happy you love it. It was so fun to do. You have like the best hair.
Thank
so like
you.
it's so fun to play with.
You guys make sure you're following Justine on Instagram. She has like a bunch of hair inspo. Thank you so much. This is great.
Of course.
You guys, once again, thank you so much. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you aren't already. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for a bunch of uploads. I'm doing beauty stuff now, a bunch of hair content, fashion, so stay tuned. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.